severe thunderstorm warning for western Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Isabella, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Enid, Waukomis, Lahoma, Ringwood, Drummond, Ames, Meno, Carrier, Vance Air Force Base, and Isabella. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather